Hi, I'm Ram Sankachi. I'm a design build contractor and I've been transforming spaces for over 30 years. Now, for over a decade of that time, I've been using Schluter Systems to waterproof all the shower enclosures that we build. This one here that we just completed is no exception. It's in a condominium and we started with a bare shower stall and we waterproofed everything with Curdy matting and Curdy board, right down to where the protrusions of the faucet are. We use the accessories around there to ensure that we got an enclosure that's 100% waterproof and it will stay that way for decades to come. Now, what's exciting with Schluter is all of the accessories they've developed to complement their waterproofing system. Now, one of my biggest pet peeves is an end of the tile being finished without no attention to detail, just leaving it blank like that. It's very unsightly. In this bathroom, I decided to use one of their trimming details, which is called a Jolie trim, and it caps it with a nice metallic finish. And I love the design in this because it's got a little tab that creates a slight gap for a grout line and keeps it consistent all the way down the edge of the tile. I decided to go with a brushed nickel finish to complement and accentuate some of the metallic finishes in the space, but all these trim details come in a variety of shapes and finishes, so you can basically pick anything you need to accentuate and complement your space. It's really a design detail and it's individual to every single space. The latest innovation is shelves. Now, these shelves are not just meant for the shower. They're to be used anywhere you might have tile, such as a kitchen backsplash. They're offered in 3 shapes and 2 designs, the floral and curve. Now, we use the curve here, but what's exciting is all the finishes that are available. So they're available in a brushed stainless steel, but also in aluminum coated in several finishes. So we've got a matte black one, we've got a matte white one, stone gray is available, grayish, cream, and also bronze. The installation method is simply brilliant. You can install them while you're installing the tiles. They've got a version with a tab that goes behind the tile and the shelf cantilevers out and supports itself. Or you can use this version that's installed after the tiles are all done, because these tiny little tabs fit into the grout lines and these shelves hold themselves into the corner. Why is that important? Because we don't drill holes into the waterproofing membrane and compromise the integrity of that membrane. So we get the luxury of floating shelves without affecting that membrane in behind. In this shower stall, we use the curve pattern with the grayish color that complements the point drain on the ground, and it simply looks beautiful. So we've got a shower stall that has all the accessories and the details that I love, and it has functionality, but what's more important, it's got a waterproofing system in behind that's going to protect this shower stall for decades to come.